Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is it's all about looking for promotional items, discounted items, sale prices, whatever we see, we're just gonna buy them. And in this particular video, we're gonna be talking about the Ridgid batteries that I recently bought that was on sale for like $44 for two. Um, and they're like, even though on their website, Direct Tools, it says that these are factory blemished, but the when I received it, it's like it's in retail packaging. It's not even open. It's like brand new, um, as if you were, buying it from a retail. For the price, $44. Um, I bought two because it's just too cheap. And right now, like I'm a Ridgid guy. You see the light back there. It's an awesome light. It's a folded light. I don't remember how much I got it for, but I'm all about Ridgid. And as a matter of fact, today I had the time to go through the registration process, and it was quite easy. As you know, as a matter, this is the fastest that I've got these batteries registered as LSA. So before, when I buy from like Home Depot or even with Direct Tool before, I had to, for Home Depot, I didn't have to mail in the invoice. I would just have to upload my invoice from there, and they would somehow validate it. But it'd take them about 2 to 3 weeks. However, with this one, I'm going to show it to you guys. I bought a set of four, so it's right here with the folded lights too. All of them, they have what you call it, LSA. So what happened? Like, I entered all the informations needed, and then it says for me to print out my invoice and mail in certified to the address they provided. So as you can see, there's a chat button on this side. I just click on the chat button and I explain it to the representative that I just bought two set of batteries. And first I thought, because I uploaded the packaging slip, which is this one, something like this. I'm going to cover up my information like this, right? And the representative said, no, we don't take that. You would have to send us a copy of the invoice through email. So I just, took a snip of it, put it on the Word. And then when I saved it with Word, their system doesn't allow me to upload Word document. So I got to save it under PDF. And then within second, he said, Mr. Fan, all of your batteries are now, I changed the status to LSA, and which is great. Okay. A little bit more about these battery itself. As you can see, before, when you buy the battery that are separately like this, or just a packaging like this, it only comes with 3 years warranty. You cannot, it's not covered under LSA. However, Ridgid have changed their policy, and now, because before, these battery like this, it has to come with like a kit, either with the tool or with a charger. Then it would be considered as a kit, and then it would qualify with a LSA. But now, even you buy just a single alone like this, it's still you can register LSA. And I'm showing you. See, let me go back to the Home Depot one. Home Depot still currently have it on sale right now, but it's almost like double the price that what I paid for, But I don't know how many people are actually paying for the regular price, which is $169. That is just awfully high. But for $99, still not bad. But for $40 plus $10 shipping, crazy deal. And here I'm just gonna show you guys some of the high-end one. If you're interested, Ridgid has the Octane one. This has a Bluetooth compatible. You can check it, with your connect to your smartphone and stuff like that. But I really don't pay attention to the Bluetooth, and I hardly use it. Okay, but that's pretty much it for this battery, because I haven't. I plan to probably give one of the batteries, the set, to my brother. So I'm not gonna open it, but it looks exactly like the one from Home Depot. Okay, so um, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys interested in savings promotions, you know, then make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, because I'll be posting more and more video, like short clips, and then I'll also link all the descriptions, links, so that you guys can, just click on it and make the same purchase. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, leave it in a comment below. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.